Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can send the update request for your sheet. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to write the sheet whatever you want, and after designing, as you can see, here's the option for the update request. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, manage your update request. To create a new update request, select a row in which, for example, we need to select the row. For example, I want to select this row. So let's choose this row, and we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see now, if you want to create a new request, you have to click on the new request, and let's click on this. So now we have to provide the email address of that teammate or that member whom we want to send update request. So for example, I want to write this email address, the name here, and after that you have to write the email address, and after that, as you can see, we have to provide the email. For example, I am going to write the email address here. So let's write that. So as you can see, I have added the email, and after adding the email, as you can see, now we have to provide the message here, and after that, if you want to any kind of CC, add someone in CC, you can also do that. After doing these all things, simply we have to hit the send, and after clicking on the send, the update request will be sent. So in this way you can send the update request. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.